Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So in today's video, we're going to talk about trading pattern. And if you haven't seen other videos, you could actually check the whole Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. Makita nyo dun paano gamitin yung support and resistances, paano ba ginagamit yung mga moving averages, and of course, yung mga iba't ibang indicators like the RSI level and MACD. So, if you want to know those types of indicators, you could actually check this playlist above, which is the Gabs Crypto 101 playlist, for the whole details on how to use those different indicators. So now let's dive into this video. So let's talk about trading patterns. So in this video, we're going to talk about what is a trading pattern, what are the different types of trade patterns, and how do we trade those patterns. So ito siguro initial insight lang. Meron kasi tayong iba't ibang patterns na ginagamit sa crypto. So itong mga trading patterns, pwede natin ma-predict yung mga coming prices like kung mag-trend reversal na ba siya, ano ba yung next target natin, or ano ba yung magiging next move ng isang coin. So ito yung mga iba't ibang common pattern. Meron tayong bearish double top, bearish head and shoulders, rising wedge, expanding wedge, bearish triple top. So we will dive into these different patterns throughout the videos. Meron din tayong mga iba't ibang patterns like this, symmetric triangle, ascending triangle, and descending triangle. So you could actually pause this video if you want to see itong mga patterns na to at paano ba natin siya ginagamit. And of course, pwede mo siya gamitin sa iyong trades. So, ano ba yung trading pattern? So, for example, meron kasi tayong isang basic movement na isang coin. Meron siyang pump and dump movement. So, if titingnan mo lang na isang tinginan lang, you would not know actually kung ano ba yung nangyayaring movement. Pero let's say, nag-plot ka ng line dyan sa area na yan, kung saan siya nagba-bounce, nagkakaroon ng resistance, and then maglalagay ka din ng line kung saan siya nagsa-support, you would actually get this support and resistance. So you would actually see na we are actually inside a pattern. So in this case, this pattern is tradable kasi as you can see, the price of the coin is currently converging and it's about to make a big move anytime soon sa coin na yan. So in this case, humihina yung kanyang movement and then at some point, nagkakaroon siya ng momentum para mag-gain to the upside. So, ganun lang yung trading pattern basically. Nagkakaroon siya ng support and resistance, nagkakaroon ng converging movement, and of course, pag naipon yung momentum niya, dun tayo magkakaroon ng move. Meron din tayong mga terminology such as yung bullish and bearish kasi meron tayong iba't ibang scenarios on determining if you are going to the upside or to the downside. So, bullish or bull meaning upward, bears or bearish meaning downward trend or pababa. So, ganun lang siya. Gagamitin natin siya on top of our patterns. And yeah, let's now understand the different type of patterns. So, meron tayong 4 types of pattern. So, papasada natin sila mamaya kung ano yung mga iba't ibang meaning ng mga pattern na yan. So, meron tayong types of patterns like continuation patterns, trend reversals, channels, and rectangles. So, let's talk about first the continuation pattern. So, for the continuation pattern, ito yung mga makita natin. Ascending, descending triangle, symmetric triangle, bull or bear flag, or bull or bear pennant. So, ibig sabihin lang niya, i-continue niya lang yung previous move. So, kung yari, paakit yung price, tapos tumigil yung movement niya, tapos pag may nakita tayong continuation pattern, ibig sabihin lang nun na i-continue niya lang yung movement. So, if galing siya sa pump, tapos nagkaroon ng pattern, i-continue niya lang yung pump. So, ito isang example. So, ascending or descending triangle, if paakit siya, at nagkaroon tayo ng triangle, makita mo na we are going to the upside and then paakit siya, this would mean na we are going to pump to the upside for this movement. So, as you can see, i-continue niya lang yung pump to the upside. So, kinontinue niya yun and then nakuha natin yung move niya na paakit siya. So, this is called ascending triangle and this is a bullish continuation pattern. Pero if let's say pababa siya, descending triangle, pag galing siya sa downtrend and then nag-form ng triangle ng pababa, then that's a bearish scenario. That is called a descending triangle, pag opposite niya. Symmetric triangle naman, this is actually a 50-50 move, but it usually tends to be a continuation pattern. So, if galing tayo sa uptrend, and then let's say, ayan, nag-bounce off siya dyan sa movement niya yan, and then, symmetric triangle, kasi of course, symmetric siya, and equal yung triangle niya, hindi mo sure kung aakit or bababa, pero if galing siya sa uptrend, then this would more likely go to the upside. Bull or bear flag, ibig sabihin lang nun, if galing tayo sa massive pump, and then nag-consolidate siya at this point, then this would mean na we are seeing a bull flag. So, meron tayong pole and then may flag. And then, kinukuha natin yung movement. If nag-consolidate siya dyan yung possible point of breakout natin. Kaya aakit yung price natin. That's a bull flag. Of course, yung opposite niya, which is yung bear flag, pagpababa. And then, may nagkaroon ng consolidation. Then, of course, that's a bear flag. Bull pennant naman is somehow similar to a bull flag. Pero in difference, instead na nagkakaroon ng flag, nagkakaroon tayo ng wedge or somehow na on channel. So, nagkakaroon ka ng support and resistance and nagpa-pump and dump lang siya between the support and resistance. So, makita mo may pole din siya and then meron tayong pennant na nagpo-form. So in this case, this will continue to the upside kasi meron tayong bull or bear pennant. So yung opposite niya is bear pennant, of course, pagpababa and then nagkaroon ng pennant, this would mean a continuation sa pababa. So yun din yung opposite niya. And yeah, basically yun lang yung bull and bear pennant. So ngayon, let's talk about trend reversal. So trend reversal naman, kung paakit yung price tapos nakuha ka ng trend reversal pattern, ibig sabihin, mag-reverse yung pattern, mag-reverse yung price, bababa na yung price. So, ibig sabihin lang yan, i-reverse niya lang yung trend. So, babalik ta rin niya yung trend. So, meron tayong example is rising wedge or falling wedge, head and shoulders, double top or double bottom, or also known as W or M pattern. So, ito yung isang example ng falling wedge. So, makita mo, pababa yung price niya. So, nakita mo, bumabagsak yung price, pero nag-form tayo ng falling wedge. So, this would mean, pag falling, it's a trend reversal to the upside. So, babaliktad siya. So, makita mo na, umakit tuloy yung ating movement kasi nagkaroon tayo ng trend reversal pattern. So, makita mo, naging opposite yung trend niya, bumaliktad. So, ganun yung falling wedge. Head and shoulders naman, makita mo na meron tayong shoulders, and then head, and then shoulders, and then that would mean na it's a trend reversal to the upside. So, dun mo malalaman kung magwa-pump tayo or tapos na yung downtrend natin kung nagkaroon tayo ng head and shoulders. Yung opposite niyan, of course, yung isang head and shoulders na paggaling sa uptrend, dapat head and shoulders, of course, yung opposite scenario niya lang yan dito. So remember, in using a head and shoulders, dapat galing siya sa downtrend in order to consider this a head and shoulders. So this one is called an inverse head and shoulders kasi baliktad. So dapat make sure na galing siya sa isang trend at saka lang siya mag-reverse. Dapat yun yung kailangan yung alalahanin, yung kanyang pinagmulan na trend. Kasi may mga iba ako nakikita na kahit galing siya sa uptrend, ginagawa nila na inverse head and shoulders. Hindi ganun yung head and shoulders, guys. Dapat galing siya sa downtrend para malaman mo na inverse head and shoulders. And then yung opposite niya, dapat galing sa uptrend para malaman mo na trend reversal to the downside na head and shoulders. Next is yung W or M pattern. Ito naman is an example of a W. Makita mo lang siya nagkaroon ng downtrend and then nagkaroon ng double bottom. So that is called a double bottom pattern. So trend reversal to the upside siya. And then yung opposite niya is yung M pattern. So opposite niya lang is so basically galing sa uptrend and then double top and then pababa. So opposite lang talaga siya ng W pattern or double bottom. So meron din tayo iba like rising or falling channel and then yung rectangle. So this is a rising channel. So makita mo na may pump, nagkakaroon tayo ng pump and dump at a certain area lang. So ito ibig sabihin pag nagkakaroon tayo ng parallel movement, like may isang area lang tayo na paakit or pababa, then this would mean na we are inside a channel. So ayun lang siya. Pwede ka mag-trade dyan. You could buy at the area below and then you could sell above the channel and you could actually swing trade paulit-ulit sa support and resistance. So, depende siya actually kung nag-break siya to the upside, of course, magpa-pump na siya. Pero if nag-break yung channel pababa, of course, bababa siya. So, ganun lang basically yung channel. And then lastly is yung rectangular channel or more on sideways action lang siya. Makita mo na meron tayong support and resistances and then naglalaro lang tayo sa support and resistance. So, rectangle lang siya and sideways lang yung movement natin sa coin na yan. So, now, ang next question is, pwede ba tayo gumamit ng dalawang pattern within one movement? The answer is yes. So makita mo, you can use two patterns within one pattern. So ito makita mo meron tayong head and shoulders and then meron din tayong rectangular patterns. So makita mo na you can clearly use two patterns within one movement at the same time. Wala naman siya talagang limit kung ilang pattern gawin mo sa isang area. So yeah, pwede mo i-merge yung mga pattern para mag-form ng next move. So now let's use this pattern sa actual movement natin. So let's dive into this Ethereum chart naman for an example today. So for this Ethereum chart, let's use an example dito. So, meron tayong mga iba't ibang indicators. Pero focus tayo ngayon sa patterns. So, in this example, makikita mo na all you have to do is just to click this line and then maglagay ka ng line. Hanap ka lang ng area kung saan siya nagkakaroon ng bounce. So, nagkakaroon siya dyan ng bounce. So, this would mean may resistance siya dyan. And then, dito, makita mo na meron tayong support. Nagpa-bounce siya dyan. So, bounce, bounce. So, makita mo na meron tayong rising channel dito. So, this would mean na makukuha natin yung move by getting off this channel. So, if na-break natin siya to the upside, then this would mean na akit yung price. Pero if na-break siya to the downside, then this would mean pababa siya. So, now how do we know yung exact target niya? So, to know the target, all you have to do is just plot a line coming off from the highest point up to the lowest point and then ilalagay natin siya sa point of breakout. So, in this case, ang technical target nito is this line, which is the $1,900 US dollar. So, makita mo, nag-play out siya dyan exactly following this pattern. So, makita mo, nag-play out siya dyan and nakita mo na na-hit natin yung target exactly. So that basically yun yung isa example ng ating isang rising channel. So dito, let's say nag-decline yung price. Tapos di mo alam kung mag-trend reversal na ba siya. So in order to understand kung mag-trend reversal na siya, kailangan natin maghanap ng pattern. So in this case, nakita mo na meron tayong resistance dyan. So nagkakaroon na resistance, pero at the same time, makita mo na meron tayong low and then nagkaroon ng lower low, tapos biglang umakit yung low natin. And kung maalala nyo sa isang mga patterns natin, this one is actually an inverse head and shoulders kasi meron tayong shoulders, may head, and then shoulders. So this would mean na it's a trend reversal to the upside. So aakit yung price natin. So in order to know the technical target, kung ano ba yung magiging target nito, we would actually just plot a line from the neckline up to the lowest point, and then lagyan natin siya sa point of breakout para malaman natin yung target natin. So you could see na na-meet natin yung target after breaking out from this head and shoulders pattern. So makita mo, na-meet natin yung target exactly. So now, ano yung next dyan? Ngayon dito meron tayong support. Pero as you can see, nagkakaroon din tayo ng isa pang head and shoulders. So you could see shoulders and then head and then shoulders. So this would mean pababa yung price. So as mentioned, para makuha yung ating target, you just have to plot this movement and then lagyan natin siya sa point of breakout and then makita mo, na-meet din natin ulit yung ating target exactly. So ngayon, you could also look at the bigger picture. If you're going to zoom out, you would actually notice, palitan to natin ng yellow. So you would actually notice na meron tayong bigger pattern. So you would see na meron tayong resistance dyan. So ayun na may resistance. And then this one, plot tayo ng support. Makikita mo na meron tayong support. So this would mean na meron tayo actually all along na symmetric triangle. So this would mean na this is a 50-50 move. So if nag-break to the upside, of course, mag-pump siya to the upside. Pero if nag-break to the downside, bababa siya. So ngayon, paano ba natin malalaman yung target? So, kailangan lang natin kunin yung highest point and then plot natin hanggang sa lowest point and then lagyan natin sa point of breakout. So, pwede siya, yung bullish scenario, if nag-pump siya to the upside, then of course, aakit siya. But if nag-pump siya to the downside, ito yung magiging target. So, if nag-break siya to the downside, yun yung magiging target. At kung saan siya nagkaroon ng breakout, yun yung susundan natin. So, this one, nagkaroon tayo ng breakout to the upside. So, nakita natin nag-pump siya to the upside. And then, na-meet na natin yung target din dyan. Exactly. So, you would see, na-meet natin siya. 'Di ba? So, basically, that's how you navigate trading patterns. Pero ayun guys, meron din tayo iba't ibang scenarios na ginagamit for trading patterns. So stay tuned for that one in the next video kasi doon natin gagamitin yung mga iba't ibang strategies for this trading pattern. So if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.